So it's new. It's under $50, $760,462. So we're talking about 14 inches across, 9 inches tall, 5 inches on the depth, and this show only price. So you've got 37 minutes to grab this one. So we have it for you in the gray. It's a pretty dove gray. But oh my, it's like Italian lamb. It's so uber soft. This is your classic black. Again, if you need a new black bag, this is the way to go. And then this is the Misty Rose, fewer than 5 dozen. There are so many wonderful features. I cannot wait for Janae to take you shopping on this one. But look, you've got a zipper compartment on the back. You have feet on the bottom. Look at the pleat. And most designers, most high-end designers, Mark Bauer here at Shop HQ, I have so many pieces from Mark. He doesn't do genuine leather. He doesn't do genuine fur. He does faux leather. He does faux fur. And that's where all the big designers are going, everybody. So, because it's so innovative now. They can really, really imitate and do something that feels like Italian lamb. You even have side pockets, Janae, on this. But
Isn't that
look,
incredible?
A kissing zipper on the top. And we go inside, and look at how it opens up.
Isn't that beautiful? It just shows you how soft and supple this vegan leather is, how it kind of slouches down for you. This is one of the coolest top handle designs I've seen. It's in this really over...
Now, Caitlin,
yes!
I almost said it like 5 minutes ago. Caitlin's one of my visuals, who we all love.
Oh
she has a great sense of humor. Just stay tuned for the next 35 minutes to see what I'll be pulling out of my bags.
That's hilarious.
Let me just smell them. I've missed you. Semi-sweet chocolate morsels.
I love it. Next, you're going to be pulling out a bottle of wine from there. Caitlin, get on it.
Okay. And then your framed zipper. Yeah, she's pretty creative when it comes to stuffing the bags.
She is. I put tater tots in Fatima's bag this morning because that's our thing here. So tater tots, especially fashion talk. But you guys, the feel of this is... I mean, it's unlike anything I've felt when it comes to a vegan material. It is soft. It's pebbled like the real thing. And I like that you pointed out these beautiful pleats, because this kind of gorgeous couture shape to this bag is really, really special. I like how much longer it is than tall. The fact that you have a footed bottom, but even when you had the footed bottom and you opened this up and saw how soft and supple,
it's slouchy and soft.
But look at these chain details.
That's what I love.
So cool.
It's like Stefano's Italian chains.
That high polish, and I love gold jewelry, so anytime I have high polished gold tone on my handbag as well, it really just completes the look. I think it pulls it all together. So you do have the double top handles, but you also have a crossbody strap, and that's how Vanessa is wearing it. So you do have multiple ways to wear it. Brand new. Oh,
Doesn't it feel like Italian lamb girls?
Incredible. Yes, it is. Amazing. And it's so
gosh.
lightweight. Again, vegan leather makes it really, really lightweight.
So
also.
Vanessa's wearing Kalia Ali.
I love that.
Janae's wearing Kalia Ali. I'll be wearing Modex in the next hour. Krista, you are wearing, I believe, Kate and Mallory. And we have our winter fashion sale and clearance coming up in the next hour. This hour is all about handbags. But when Charlie girl, she's 2 now, when she's like got sticky fingers, spilling her juice cup. If this was Italian lamb that you spent $5,000 on and she got sticky fingers on that, wouldn't you be like, ah?
Yeah, exactly. I would like only bring that bag out when I was, maybe going out with my hubby and she was she's nowhere close. With this, you can just wipe it
down.
Little damp cloth, and you will be fine. You don't have to baby these handbags at all.
Janae, I love this Misty.
I know this. Oh, the Misty Rose.
The Misty
Rose. Signature. I will say this gray can go a little blue depending on what you're wearing as well.
But if you want, can I hand this Misty Rose to you? If you want something new for spring, look how pretty the Misty Rose is for spring. But you know, it starts out lightweight.
Super lightweight. But
that's the bag that has chocolate chips, a water bottle, and an iPad.
Okay, I was like, whoa. Mine was way later. But look at the slouch. I'm glad that it has so much in it because look at that beautiful slouch to it.
Oh my gosh. Spring cannot get here fast enough. Now, I'm not wishing my life away. I moved to Minnesota for one reason only. It was this job. I lived in the South, y'all. I didn't live here in the tundra, the state next to Canada. It has been so cold in January. Today's January 31st. Thank you, God. We made it. Tomorrow's February 1st. But, Janae, when does spring fashion really come out strong? It's like February.
I would say, yep, end of February.
They're clearing everything out.
Yep.
Your blush, that Misty Rose, is perfect for spring. So get yourself a new bag, 760-462. And, oh, let me take you to our website, because a lot of you are shopping jewelry right now, and which is smart.